How to delete Apple ID without password. There are 3 ways to do it. Let's jump right into the steps. First is, you want to go ahead and open Settings on your phone. Now you want to tap on your Apple ID. Scroll down to the very bottom, then tap on Sign Out. But here, you need to enter your password, then tap on Turn Off, that is on the top right corner. Next thing that you can do is you want to go to Settings again, tap on your Apple ID. Here, you want to go ahead and tap on Media and Purchases. Tap on Sign Out. Then you want to go ahead and tap on Sign Out again. And that is how you can delete your Apple ID here. Now, next thing that you can do is you want to go to the App Store and remove your ID from there. For that, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and open App Store on your phone. Tap on your profile, that is on the top right corner. Now here you need to scroll down to the very bottom, and here you will see Sign Out. You want to go ahead and tap on it. As you do that, you will be signed out from your Apple ID. So that is 3 ways on how to delete your Apple ID without password. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.